Elections in democracies. Why this is actually a big blunder. People think that democracy is the superior of all ideologies. They say democracies are ruled by the people. They say we elect our representatives. These representatives are the torch bearers of truth and justice. They say, look at the worldly democracies. So far, these democracies succeeded because of the efficient structural democratic setups. Of course, for a nation to be considered as democracy, it must have periodic elections, it must have clearly defined legal administrative setups like constitutions, it must give people the power to take part in voting, it must have bureaucratic institutional arrangements, it must have independent judiciary and human rights safeguarded by law. Please don't think that democracy is a perfect ideology. Nations like India, one of the largest democracies of all times, recently elections were happened and citizens are waiting for results. Is this democracy a big blunder or failure? I'm not here to say that things are not happening. Welfare agendas are going on and things are going, because of proper leadership. This is not a criticism article. Democracies won't survive for longer periods. No doubt, because people are no longer trusting their representatives. Everyone is seeking for direct rule. Even though you may say, it is practically impossible. It is possible. Now quantum level computing can define everything, each and everyone in a territorial democracy. People complaining about their representatives doing organized loot are thinking this way. They say things are under the control of regionalism, nepotism, red tapeism, casteism, communism and fear politics. That means beyond democratic factors are influencing politics of modern democracies. Casteism is the major one. Influence through spiritual seizure of human minds. Next is at some point of time some elite family groups bought these modern democracies. In the sense that people winning are actually the puppets of organized elites. They have bought the entire setups. Yesterday I talked with one of my friend. He was of the opinion that if elections have to be transparent, there must be no lag in election process and counting. There is a bi-directional cross-checking but lag is a slope towards manipulation. He says that things are already planned, and these are just throwing dust on the eyes of unorganized, ununited humans. That means you can't compare the democracies of the past with democracies of modern. Now, technology eyes, innovative eyes, new neural intelligent pathways intelligent people can define. That means modern democracies must be replaced with new ideologies. Organized effort has to be initiated for people ruling face to face, direct. If maximum welfare is predefined, why we need someone playing on the emotions of people and putting them in cages, using the big reality setups? Some are of the opinion that submission and fear are forcefully created on them. Some are of the opinion that the big are always organized and the others are not allowed to organize. This type of views need validations. But biases are visible everywhere, even the laws has a loophole, for the creator of laws. Now let's focus on elections. Elections are not trustable in divided populations, divided by different ideas. Democracy is written for uniform societies, with uniform cash flow federalism states. This is not happening even though we are saying India is one, in spite of the divided ideas. It's visible some sections are sidelined. The arrangements have to be there is one uniform majority and no further thinking about divisions or minority. Parties can be there, but what about party beyond divisions, casteism, religious fanaticism and bipolar organized winning? That means we don't need representatives or representatives controlled by economically superior elites, capable of drafting evolutionary supra-special activities. But everyone ruling, everyone getting the reward scales, and welfare totally disclosed. Hence present democratic populations need some better ideologies. Let's escape from modern locks and ideas.